You've talked about how in the long run, everything sorts itself out. It's the transition that's the difficult part. And today we're in a huge transition in the global trade industry, our green transition. So what advice can you give to global trade?
You can't just get to the answer in one leap. This is about, as you say, change management, it's about transitions. I'd argue that all leadership, about purpose and inclusion, requires you to be always in an interim stage. You're always transitioning something, partly because the world outside you, the context, is always changing. So for shipping, I think it's all about step by step. We can do much better with what we're doing at the moment, without any doubt. We can make it more efficient. Where we go from there depends on how successful we are with that and how people think about the importance of shipping, I would say.